I want to give you a huge congratulations for finishing this introductory Google AdWords training. You've now learned how to create your first profitable campaign, really by following the 10 steps that we outlined in this course. Now, all the notes are here below, so what I would really encourage you to do is when you're setting up Google AdWords campaigns to really review, come back to this list and make sure that you have ticked off the list every single one of these steps. They truly are important if you want to have profitable campaigns. I'm not going to recap on everything because I think you have all the notes there, but let's look at a couple of key takeaways and then also where you can go next to further your Google AdWords knowledge if you want. This is the key point here, and perhaps the key takeaway from this training. It's that remember that Google is an advertising company. Their number one goal is to get you to spend money. And I think you saw there as we went through the setup process that the default ad campaign settings are not optimal, so never take Google's advice. There really are a lot of options within AdWords, and it definitely requires some training before you start to dive right in. People make a lot of mistakes, lose a lot of money just jumping in without really understanding the platform well and understanding the big mistakes that people make. And the big mistakes that people make are really not ticking off these 10 points here. So use this as a checklist. Use this as a way to really plan your campaigns, to see what is working, to set them up correctly and begin with the end in mind, to select the right campaign types that really suit your goals and your type of business. Make sure you're targeting your audience and using any available data, selecting the right bidding strategies, writing those effective ads as well, standing out in the search results. That is really key. Choosing those profitable keywords and using and taking advantage of negative keywords and the other features that AdWords offers. Of course, measuring and optimization is key. Don't just set it and forget it. Now that brings us down to the end of the document here, where I've included some additional resources. Throughout this guide, I've linked off to Google AdWords help, but I've included the main page here. This is extremely helpful. All you have to do is type in a phrase or keyword and there are loads of pages and information. It's extremely helpful, and I'd encourage you to bookmark that and to check that out. Now the next thing is, if you want to become Google AdWords certified, I've actually put together a course on that. That's just going to open up onto the sales page here. But if you want to become Google AdWords certified and really take your training to the next level, I've included the link there. You can really learn how to get certified by Google in just 2 days. All right, so don't want to oversell that, but if you're interested, I think it is definitely worthwhile to be a Google certified marketer, especially if you're applying for jobs or serving clients and taking your AdWords knowledge to the next level. That's a great thing. Okay, so I'm going to really wrap up there. I hope you've enjoyed this Google AdWords training, and in the next section of the course, we're going to dive into Google Analytics and complete a 24-step Google Analytics audit checklist. I look forward to seeing you there.